Today for our mental math warm-up, we're going to practice some math facts. And when you see the math fact, I want you to try to solve it in your mind by thinking about a fact that's near 10 or a double fact, some kind of fact that will help you solve this math fact a little faster. So here we go. Here's the first problem. Get ready for it. 3 plus 4 equals. If you're still trying to figure it out, you might want to think about something that it's close to. Maybe it's close to 3 plus 3 or 4 plus 4, and one of those double facts can help you out. Okay, we're going to get ready to reveal the answer. So 3 plus 4 equals, you got it, it's 7. Here we go. Next one. 5 plus 6. Yep, that's Molly in the background. All right, so if you are still thinking about 5 plus 6 and you want to try to figure out the answer, you can pick a 10 fact that's close to it, like 5 plus 5, or you can think of a double fact, like 6 plus 6. And the answer is 11. No one knew it. All right, and our last math fact for our warm-up is 4 plus 5. So we want to think about 4 plus 5 and something that you know it is close to help you figure it out fast. All right, 4 plus 5 equals, everyone, 9. Great job.